Earth. Our home, our sanctuary, our shared heritage. We cherish its beauty and respect its boundless diversity. We want to keep it extraordinary for countless generations to come. But today, our planet is suffering from destruction, signaling our duty to take action. As an industry leader, Marmite proudly embraces its responsibility toward our Earth. At the heart of Marmite's commitment lies our natural-based material mineral composite, whose essential component is crushed dolomite rock. It is completely safe, silica-free, and highly durable for years. We understand a product's value is defined not only by its appearance and natural origin, but also by its ecological footprint. We follow an eco-design philosophy to minimize raw material use without compromising quality. We constantly seek new solutions, alternative materials, and recycled components for our production process. 100% of our production is powered by renewable energy sources such as water, wind, sun, and biogas. Our custom-made packaging minimizes cardboard usage. Shower tray packaging is now 100% recyclable, while bathtubs and wash basins are 65% to 90% recyclable with ongoing improvements. Accurate systems for raw material dosage and mold loading prevent overproduction and minimize waste. We recycle hazardous waste in-house, while paper, steel, plastics and scrap are processed externally. Our commitment to environmental stewardship is transparent and verified by external entities. For Marmite, choosing sustainability is more than a decision, it's a collective journey. We invite you to join us in shaping the future with immediate and lasting environmental benefits.